All right, so we're gonna do the first test with monitoring in place. This continues to be in its non-final state. There you go. What's that sound? Oh yeah, that thing doesn't like to get pulled. I need to adjust that hole because it gets stuck and stuff. Okay, it's there. It's lifting the thing. Shrug, whatever. Now, all that stuff is on. Turn this on. Alright, I've got one engine on, two engine on. Okay. And then we're gonna. What are you pitching? Ah, yeah, I always forget. Safety! Safety first. Attach to this in case the wheel falls off. Important. Alright, so I'm gonna give it some throttle. Try to put this wide angle. I'm gonna give it some throttle. Just gonna go make sure the boat moves. Starts pressing on this. It is. So then I can come back after. Give it some more power and just make sure everything holds, and then eventually bring it to full power. So right now I've got only 100 watts. And I'll put it in sync mode. I think I need to bring it back to neutral. And then I can put it in sync mode. Okay. Alright. Now both of them are pushing. This is tight, as you would expect. And let's go have a look at this. It's only 400 watt total right now. So we've got some good compression here. Alright. Let's go. Let's look at this here. How is it doing? Okay. Let's refresh that log. Let's look at package current. Minus something amps. Temperature is fine. The voltage is fine. Impedance is fine. Sensors are fine. So I'll just keep looking at that for a little while. This window is also. I'll put this side by side like this. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. Temperatures. Look at this. I'll put this here. And then also not just this, but also impedance is gonna matter, and I'm gonna need more space to see it. So I'll put the temperature here because the layout is not sufficient. I don't need to see the fucking right button. Oh, that's fucking dumb. All right, so this is here. Temperatures are looking good. Impedance is here. And also I'm gonna put, well, here I can see the voltage range quickly. So, right now, everything is on. We're gonna crank it up, 1000 watt, both sides. Alright. I'll leave it at 1000 total. Well, a little bit more than 1000, but let's go have a look. This here, oh, there's some overhead clearly. 1400, 500, and I've got 650 each, so it's like 200. There's a 100 watt parasitic load from the inverter and the internet and all that stuff. Okay, this guy is getting squeezed still. I've got these two lines holding the boat, and they're holding fine. Hopefully, I'm not gonna pull the cleats out of the boat. All right, this is here. It says I can go 9 hours like this. I don't know how much that would push me, but in flat water it would push me. Let's go double. Now I'm starting to throw water around. I expect that this is gonna be what's jumping. Cell resistance. 2500 watt. Let's go look. And once I'm sitting well here, I'll just crank it up to 12,000 watt. This is all good. Still. Alright. Let's bring it up. Each side. Now that's starting to be more like a stress test, isn't it? 2 hours at this rate. 125 amps total. There's some kind of sound of resonance. That thing is pushing a lot of water. This here is quite tight. Let's go look at this little boy there. Yeah, doesn't have much leverage, so it's not squeezing it too much. It's doing all right. Sure, the connections are not hot. Dropping. It's quite, it's not bad. So this cell here, it has an interconnect. It goes through a long cable. But, thank you. Why did you disconnect? Who do you think you are? Just gonna record whatever data. But so far, let's look at it. Yeah, it's starting to work hard, huh? Let's look at the temperature. It's rising. BMS is fine because it's not working. Back voltage dropping. It's nice. Go back to home. Actually, I don't want to keep on looking at the logs. I'm going to do this a little bit. Temperatures are doing this. And now, this is half power. Let's go full power. Maybe not full power yet. There's some kind of crazy sound going on. $9,000 watt. So far the bike is doing good. Performing as desired. Is this even refreshing? That's the question though. Alright, let's make sure everything is not moving. Squeeze that thing real good. And these tubes are really resonating. Should do something because the echo is quite loud. No way anyone can sleep. Full power. What's the problem? You don't like the voltage, huh? Let's see. Woo! It does not like it. It's doing it, but it doesn't like it. Shit. Run for an hour like this. I'm gonna reload this. Cell voltages. Cell 9 is taking a beating. Well, at least at this power, there's no more fucking resonance. It's quiet as hell. So I could always run just one at this power level. I'm making a lot of waves. I'm pushing so much water, man. It's a washing machine here. Look at this. Surface water. This one's really deep. No turbulence going on. This one is less deep, so you can see. Yeah, clearly one is pushing much deeper than the other one. This one, some of the exhaust visible on the surface. This one, the effects end up being quite a lot further. So the 8 inches, unsurprisingly, make a big difference. Alright. See how this is going. Temperature's rising, the batteries are getting warmer. Voltage looks like it's doing stable. And this is going as predicted. This impedance went down. Wow, that's quite good actually. It's only this much. Let's see how hot this thing is without touching it. Obviously. Woo. of amps going in. Do you think this is pointing in the right direction? Woo! Look at this! It's tilted. It is tilted. So I think I can't count on my compass when I'm full power. This one also tilted, I think. Is it just the water or is it always tilted? We'll see when I stop it. Well, so far, so good. Voltage dropped to 46.6 here. And this one is seeing 49, so there's 3 volts lost from the battery all the way through the cables. Now let's see. It's starting to move. This might not be the best for the dogs, huh? Yeah, it's making so much waves that it makes the other boat move. Full power at the dock. I wonder if that's a bad thing to do. I would guess not. Because I mean, at the end of the day, it's not a lot of trust compared to something else. Alright, see you later. I think I like the other one. Port engine. It's making less of a mess. It's pushing deep and far. Starboard one is clearly sucking air sometimes. Well, not sucking air, but it creates swirls. Maybe if it was in movement, it wouldn't have enough time to create swirls in front of itself.